How to install Google Play Store on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and simply search Google Play Store. You will find Google Play Store, simply click on it and it will download. But if you don't want to download any harmful link, what you can do is open Settings, go to Apps and Notifications, and here scroll down and then click on Google Play Store. After you click on Google Play Store, press on Enable. As you can see, my Google Play Store was disabled, so it was not showing, as all Android devices have Google Play Store when the first phone has been received. This is how to install Google Play Store on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.